In this video, we're going to look at how we can convert a number from standard form. In a previous video that I'll link here, we looked at the basics of how we can write a number in standard form. So reversing what we did in the previous video, with the example on the left-hand side, I can express 1.5 times 10 to the power 4 as 1.5 times by 10,000. Multiplying 1.5 by 10,000 will then give me 15,000, and I've now converted it back from standard form. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So I can express 1.7 times 10 to the power negative 3 as 1.7 divided by, because it's a negative power, and 10 cubed is 1000. Dividing 1.7 by 1000 will give me 0.0017, and I've now converted the number from standard form.